Hi, I am Ira, and today I will be talking about the Rating Performance FY 2026 and Outlook FY 2027. In FY 2026, ICRA's ratings reflected the resilience of Indian corporates even amid global uncertainty. Credit ratio remains strong, supported by sustained upgrade momentum. The credit ratio rose to 3.1 times, well above the long-term average. Default rates stayed low, with investment-grade defaults negligible, highlighting strong rating accuracy. Importantly, the severity of rating changes remained contained. Upgrades were led by power, realty, hotels, auto components, and roads, driven by better operating performance, lower project risks, improvement in parents' credit profile, and strong demand. Some stress persisted in microfinance, textiles, and chemicals sectors, reflecting asset quality and demand pressures. Entering fiscal year 2027, tariff pressures have eased, and the India-EU Free Trade Agreement offers considerable export opportunities. However, geopolitical tensions in West Asia have intensified risks, particularly through energy, fertilizer supplies, shipping costs, and global commodity prices. ICRA expects India's GDP growth to moderate to 6.5% in FY 2027, assuming average crude prices of $85 per barrel. Inflation is projected to rise, while policy rates are expected to remain on hold. Higher crude prices could widen the current account deficit and strain fiscal metrics. The sectoral outlook for FY 2027 remains mixed, shaped by geopolitical risks and elevated energy prices. Capital goods, defense, hospitals, and select construction-linked sectors are supported by strong government capex, healthy order books, and policy thrust. Banking, insurance, and large NBFCs remain stable, backed by adequate capitalization and steady credit demand, though asset quality in microfinance remains a concern. Energy-intensive and export-oriented sectors such as airlines, refining and marketing, fertilizers, basic chemicals, and petrochemicals face pressure from higher crude prices and margin volatility. Consumer-linked sectors show resilience, but growth is expected to moderate amid inflationary pressures.